FOREX Fundamental Analysis for Euro-US Dollar on March 14. The banking crisis has confused all Forex trading forecasts. Yes, the United States authorities have taken unprecedented measures to save depositors' deposits, 95% of which were not insured. But the massive bailout measures could undermine the U.S. financial system, which is what investors fear the most. At the moment, volatility, according to the VIX index, is testing its October high and Euro-US dollar is trading around 1.07. Two banks, Silicon Valley Bank valued at $209 billion and Signature Bank valued at $110 billion, have stormed the system in the tens of trillions of dollars. But there may be a link here between the bankruptcy and the Fed's hardline, which means the two financial institutions may be the first swallows among the banks shot down by Jerome Powell. The dynamics of the VIX Fear Index. It is possible that the Federal Reserve is caught between a hammer and anvil, as it has to fight inflation on the one hand and ensure the stability of the financial system on the other. Most likely, the regulator will not be able to raise the rate by 50 basis points in March, despite the high prices, as it was supposed to do just a few days ago. At any rate, derivatives suggest the probability of a 25 basis point monetary tightening is 66%. 10-year bond yields have plummeted and continue to fall, the dollar can only follow. U.S. Treasury yield dynamics. The U.S. inflation report comes out today, but the release is likely to take a back seat. With great interest, investors are following the news from the European Central Bank, realizing that the European regulator is able to surprise the markets. The futures market is lowering the European rate ceiling from 4 to 3.2% after the news from the U.S., although there is not much of a connection between old and new world banks. Who knows, maybe the Governing Council of the European Central Bank will not give up and announce a 50 basis point rate hike. That will give Euro-US dollar a chance to rise above 1.0705, from where we plan to form short-term sales. Thank you for watching this analytics. Our company specializes in providing signals for trading in all financial markets such as Forex, stock market and crypto. You can find the whole article at the link in the description. You can also like this video and subscribe to the channel.